We just hit it up with the X-Jet. I'm gonna let it sit for like 10-15 minutes. We're agitating it with a hard bristle brush. And we're gonna see if we get rid of this algae. So this is my second day, practicing on this awning right here. This is a friend of mine's vape store. And if this works, I'm gonna work out a deal with the township to do the awnings, not only here, but, anywhere, So this is my test run here. Like there is no right way to do it. Whatever works. So you can see it's definitely foaming up. It's working. So I'm gonna come back with a rinse and see what we have.